We're this awesome pond in the middle of the forest in Southeast Ohio. But the first thing we're doing is navigating through all these thorns. And you know me, I like to herp virtually naked. Yeah, the access is really rough. I'm wading through all this craziness. Oh, it's so deep. It gets so deep. I'm gonna have to check all these inlets over here. Though, but that's definitely a turtle. That's gotta be. I can't see anything. This is annoying. Just gonna have to go for it. Oh, it gets so deep. Wait, I think I see it. Yes! 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 The GoPro's on! It's a big one! Yes! Woo! We did it! Oh my gosh! That is a big one! Look at that! Just when I was about to give up hope. Dude, this turtle is huge! Gorgeous animal. I'm gonna get some photos with him and let him go. The size of this turtle. This thing is gorgeous. So I'm gonna measure this turtle so then I can get a weight and a weight estimate when I'm done. My guess is he's probably close to 40 pounds. 16 inches long. 18 inches wide. Dude. One more, buddy. Insane. Like, look at that. Sorry, gotta grab a photo of this real quick before he goes. Dude. That turtle, oh my gosh, that turtle in the water. Amazing. Yeah, keep going, buddy boy. Look at the size of that thing. It is a beast. It is a beast. That is a beast. That is a beast of a turtle. There he goes, slinking off. That thing is huge. I think that is 40. We just caught the big muddy buddy. Woo!